tiny adventure.
Today, Kutuki and Minku have come to Nani Nanu's house. It looks like Nanu is fast asleep. But Nani is working on something in her science laboratory.
Hi, Nani. What are you working on?
Hello, Kutu. Hello, Kate. I just need to tighten the screw over here and calibrate this gyro sensor. And where does this go? Nah, don't need it. Ah, yes, finished at last. The automatic garbage picker upper is ready.
Woohoo!
Now I have to go test it. Don't touch anything, huh? I'll be back soon.
All the best, Nani.
Wow!
Whee!
Wow! Hey, look what I found.
Huh? Oh!
It doesn't work.
Oh! Ah! Wait, what just happened? Where are we?
Stop tickling me.
That wasn't me.
Was it you, Minku?
Run! Kutu, I think Nani's machine made us tiny. Looks like we got away from the spider. Mantis!
All this running is making me hungry. Ooh, laddu.
Huh? Where did you get that from?
Oh, I don't know. It was over here.
Minku, come on!
Minku.
Kutu, I think the ant wants to be friends. This tastes just like Nani's laddu.
Nani. Oh no. She's going to scold me.
Don't worry, Kutu. We just need to get back to the machine.
Where is the machine?
The ant says we should climb this plant. We can see where the machine is from up there.
Okay.
Oh, this isn't going to work. How can anyone climb this? We're going up we're going up, up, up all the way. We're going up, up, up all the way. The caterpillars walk towards the sky, up, up all the way, up all the way. We're climbing, climbing, climbing high, up, up all the way, up all the way. We're going up, up, up all the way, up all the way. We're going up, up, up all the way, up all the way. We need to grow big, we need to grow tall, tall, cause now we're small.
So tiny.
We need to get back to the machine before Nani gives a call. We're going up, up, up all the way. We're going up, up, up all the way. Da-da-ba, ba-ba-ba-da-ba, ba-ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba, ba-ba-ba-da-ba.
That was fun.
Ugh, I think the caterpillar gave me an itch. Where is the machine? Ooh, we found it!
How will we get to the machine?
Dragonflies! Kutuki, let's go! Yay! Woohoo!
Yay! Woohoo!
Yay!
Now what do we do?
I think if we pull the switch the other way, we might become big again. Why won't it move?
What's that?
It's the spider.
He's helping us.
It's still not working.
We need more help.
We can do this! Ah!
Thumbs up, Silpa, we did it. Oh, hi, Nani. We were just playing cricket.
Cricket, huh? Yes, Nani.
Kutu, kill!